Hey yo, it's Pep here once again. I'm about to start up my 1989 Mustang GT. I call her Ruby. Had her about a month or so. Cabernet red. Working on this hood right here. Person I got it from, they sold it to me. Had a little incident with the hood. His foot slipped off the clutch and he hit a hitch on his truck. So yeah, we in the process of redoing the hood. Moon roof right here. All right, so let me start up. Again, yeah, me and my husband we in the process of redoing some things. Yeah, I got the door off, so about to install an in-dash. Backup camera, navigation. So let me tell y'all a little history about her as well. She had, just regular stock flows, and then we had some cats cut off, and it's straight pipe now. So we got X pipe. So let y'all listen to her. She sounds a whole lot better since we got O2 sensor replaced. Cars are work in progress. So yeah, that's one of the mods that we did. Straight pipe. Also, we replaced headlights here. Got us some new headlights. Let y'all look at the headlights. Just use the door once again. She's gonna be a beauty once we get through with her. So here's Ruby.